If you know me by now, you know I love my whiskey. And I have a fairly large whiskey collection that at some point I'll introduce you to. And with that said, any chance I have to make a whiskey drink, I take that challenge. And today's drink is no exception. It's December and at my house, that means it's time for holiday drinks. And I'm making you 25 straight days of cocktails to get you ready for any upcoming party or to have an extra cocktail tool to get you through the holiday season. And if you enjoy these short cocktail videos and want to be notified each day I drop one, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. And for day 8, I'm making you a Cranberry Orange Whiskey Sour. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this drink, I need a whiskey, and I have a few whiskeys to choose from. That should work. Additionally, I need some cranberry juice, orange juice, simple syrup, and ginger beer. And for garnish, I need fresh cranberries. And the tools I need for this drink are a shaker set and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar as well as in this drink are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the shaker, I'm adding in 2.5 ounces of whiskey. Next, I'm adding in 2 ounces of cranberry juice. Now it's time to add 1 ounce of orange juice. And lastly, add 1 ounce of simple syrup. I'm gonna set the shaker aside and add 1 large ice cube to my glass. Now I'm gonna add ice to my shaker and shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. And now I strain everything into the rocks glass. Now I top it off with ginger beer and garnish with fresh cranberries. And there you have it, the Cranberry Orange Whiskey Sour. Cheers. That is really good. It's kind of a spruced up, modified Kentucky Mule. You got that whiskey and ginger beer, which makes up the Kentucky Mule. Then you have those added elements like orange and cranberry juice that really bring out and round out the drink. All in all, this is a slam dunk drink. Highly recommend it. Anybody you serve this to will probably enjoy it. It's not overwhelmingly whiskey, but it's also not overwhelmingly fruit. It's a very balanced drink. In the comments, let me know, will you try this drink? And additionally, if you're new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified. I put out new videos and shorts each week, and the support means a lot. But until next time, cheers.